Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong ki katong kacongpi. Ke emission kelap le bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Laingot kisamla kila Mynsaw jor Bagan thup yau nong ilekai football jong ka Mohun Bagan ha ka jia kenar ka bala mi biang ha Manipur. Kini ki bala Mynsaw dei na ka Jingshah her thama kansan ha ka por baki pajba ki bata ki hajar ngot ki dang yalum ban le buram khadu ya ka media jong ujan ngam hansing ubalasha pniap ha ka khalai trik ujeliu ha lasan langka bad la keno baki ronar ki bale ya ka kam ki dei ki leno NSCNIM bad ZUFK ha ka step jong ka khatsan tarik ujeliu kala don ka Jingshah Pynbthei bom ha ka sinong leilon manlui bad ha ka ni ki Jingshah Pynbthei bom ki laingot ki samla ki la Mynsaw ki de ki blatep kerteng kum ujan len mang vaipai khatsan snem karta ulun lian daw vaipai arpau snem karta bad unong ilekai football jong ka Mohun Bagan u paugolal chongloi khat pras snem karta yakini bro laingot la penkit syaka jaka sumar shanong ba Imphal ka jia kenar ha Manipur hadu mentaru kadang yai beteng.
What is the hidden agenda between the people, the state authority as well as the central government? The government of
Madam, no, I'm here for 24/7. I'm taking care of every community, every public key, the service key like that.
how and why the Indian security forces willing and very ready to bring the three cookie militants when incident was happened today. And today itself, they're ready and they're willing to brought them into rims. There must be hidden agendas. There must be some certain things. Yeah. Incident was happened by this morning itself. And the Indian security forces, they're willing and they're ready to brought the 3 cookie militants to rims assisted by government of Manipur, government of India, assisted by with uniform Indian security forces.
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa fin shet da kajo ko umpinyang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar kaneka kta ya kakot kakya jong fi pat kamaryang rukum jo. Da ka bashet da kaneka umpinyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, Pynbthei pat Pynbthei shanala ne bantang pendono. Henry, minta ka ruko ne ka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban penkala ya kaneka umpinyang syaka biodiesel. Tinamar kata limba ka ruko kakot kakya pat kamaryang rukan umktasyo.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.